Hi guys, welcome back again for another tutorial in this channel. For today's video, I will show you how to update your Facebook. So if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, this is just the same process. You can just follow this method and it will be just simple, quick, and easy. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to have a Play Store or App Store. For me, I am using an Android phone, so I'm gonna use and find my Play Store app. In my Play Store, I'm gonna search for Facebook. And as you can see, my Facebook app needs an update. So if you want to update your Facebook into the latest, just click the update button there and then wait for the app to update. It will be just gonna load. If your internet is fast, you will have a faster update process. Let's just wait for the app to update. And once you're done with updating the app, it will highlight open there. So let us wait furthermore for the app to update. As you can see, you now have the open button highlighted green. What you need to do next is just click open and make sure that your Facebook is now updated. As you can see, I now have the new features of Facebook. So this is not equal to everyone because some of us uses Facebook beta and some of us uses the new Facebook updates. But once you updated it on your App Store or Play Store, it is now updated to the latest and you can use the updated features of Facebook. And that's how easy it is, guys. You can now have an updated Facebook user experience. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.